is Priscilla Nunez from La Rosa Realty in Lake Nona office. Most of you know me as the realtor on the office, but one thing that you guys don't know too, that I actually work as well in the office of Jose Dapena. And I brought him in to do a quick interview to give you some guidance. Now that we have tons of traffic on the street, we had raining season came back up now. Every day after 4 p.m. we had tons of rain. So we see a lot more activity out there. And the goal with this video is to show you or to guide you on what you need to do once you get yourself into a car accident. So my question to you, Jose, is what will be the first thing we do in case there's somebody hit us from behind or we hit somebody? What is it that we need to do right now? Since
I concentrate my practice doing it, I've been doing it for the past 18 years. Just one of those throw the bar no-nos. In any event, yes, whenever you get into an accident, there's very specific things that you can't forget not to do, and you need to make sure that you call emergency or fire rescue if you feel you're hurt or you're injured. Their health is the most important thing that you need to keep in mind. Sometimes you're all caught up in the moment and you're nervous and you don't even feel like you're in pain, and that may come up 2 to 3 days later. That's normal. Second thing you want to do is you want to take photographs of the accident scene. You want to take photographs of both vehicles, make sure that the damage is properly documented so that later on we don't have somebody saying that's not part of this accident, it came up, it must have had a subsequent accident or something, who knows. But people get creative, and you need to make sure that you document everything.
Take a picture before moving the cars.
Ideally, you want to do it before you move the car, but sometimes you can't wait because of the traffic and the law requires you to move the vehicle. Okay. Then if it ain't safe, obviously, then just move the vehicle and then photograph the actual damage on the property. Also make sure that you take a photograph of the license plate of the other vehicle so that we have it on record just in case they provide false information to the police, which happens a lot. We at least have a way to investigate the claim. Then after that, I mean, keep in mind that the law requires that if you're injured, that you treat within 14 days of the date of the loss. And it's very important because if you do not do that, you're going to basically waive your right to the $10,000 in personal injury protection benefits that your own insurance company provides for you, regardless of whose fault it is. And that's why it's called Florida no fault. I mean, it doesn't matter whose fault it is, you automatically are entitled to $10,000 of personal injury protection benefits, which, to be very clear, it's not that you're going to get $10,000, you're just going to have $10,000 available from your insured for any treatment that you may require, assuming you're hurt. Best thing that you can do if you're not really sure what you need to do after that is to consult with a lawyer, and that's what we do. We don't charge for consultations. If you or any of your clients request a recommendation of a lawyer, we're here to help you. We don't charge for the consultation, and at the end of the day, the decision is up to the potential client of whether he wants to pursue a claim or not.
So I know we do have an office, like I said before, right here in Orlando. It's located in Lewis in our Cruz office, but we also have offices in Tampa. But thank you, Jose Dapena, for the recommendation today. And we are located in Lake Nona office. So any questions, feel free to give us a call.